If you're looking to purchase a new Ego trimmer and you don't know what to buy, you don't understand what the features are, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to show you how to research and show you what features are available and what you have to choose from. So the first thing is, when you go to the Ego website and you go to products, well, down at the bottom is the string trimmers. And once you go to string trimmers, you're going to see a lot of items. It says 11 items here. Some of them are combo items, and some are just the trimmers themselves. But, that's a lot to look at. So I've gone through these, and I just selected the ones I'm interested in looking at. One of these is obsolete. It's no longer even being sold. So I didn't choose it. I just chose, I think it was this one right here. I just chose the applicable ones. And I marked the favorites for those. And so you can just go to favorites and look at them. So what you're going to see here, I've got 4 15 inches at the top, and I've got the two 16 inches at the bottom. So let's start at the top. Well, top of the line. The top of the line is their Power Plus 16-inch line IQ string trimmer with power load. So let's go to that. Whoops, I'm sorry. You don't click on where to buy, you click on the item itself. So it's going to come down, and we're going to see that this has a carbon fiber shaft, and it's going to have a telescoping shaft, so we can make it longer or shorter. Those are a couple of the features. And it also has a line IQ feature. So let's scroll down. So the line IQ is going to monitor the length of your line, and it's always going to keep it the right length. There's no bumping it on the ground or the asphalt. It also comes with that power load technology, so you just put in the string, you make sure it's even on both sides, and then you push this button and it rolls it up for you. And so you stop automatically when it gets to the right length. You let go of the button. The carbon fiber shaft is supposedly weighs less, but the aluminum doesn't weigh that much. But that's what I have. I have a carbon fiber shaft, and it is light. And then they're talking about the telescopic shaft. Basically, those are the features of the top of the line model. Now they're going to say, okay, it's a 16-inch. It's not a 15-inch like the others. So the newer ones come out with a 16-inch. Let's see. They all have brushless motors, so that's not a big thing. They all use that dual spiral .095 line, so that's really not an issue. They're all weather resistant. They all use the 56-volt lithium batteries. I think they all have the same warranty. This one does have a digital 2-speed selector, so like high and low. That is another feature that it does have. So now, one thing that makes these things so confusing is that these model numbers, for the trimmers, string trimmers, they start with SD, and then 16 is the width. But these other numbers I really don't understand. The 20T, that one is the string trimmer. The 3T, it has the 4 amp hour battery included, and it's got the charger is more powerful, I think, with the 320 watt. So that's another feature of this guy. So once you do that, then so now you know what the features are. If you go to where to buy, what I've found is you need to really click on all of these. Look, here's one for $652, and the rest are like $359. So you actually need to go out here and look at each one, but I'm not going to do that right now. But I suggest you do it because sometimes it's cheaper than it says. Some of these stores sell these products cheaper. You wouldn't know that unless you went and clicked on them. So this is their top of the line. Now let's go to the next one. This is ST1611T. So let's look at the features for it. So it still has the power load just like the other one. It still has the carbon shaft just like the other one. It's still got the telescopic shaft just like the other one. These run times, I wouldn't, I guess it's based upon the battery you put in it. So this talks about, it comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery and a 210 watt charger. The other one was a 300 and something watt charger. So let's see. So what you're not getting is you're not getting that technology that adjusts the width of the cut. You have to do, this has the bump head. All right, so let's go to the next one. So back over here, we'll look at the 15 inches. Let's look at this particular one right here. It's different than the rest. It's the ST1534, and there's some interesting thing about this. This is an old-fashioned type of trimmer. Now, if you notice, this shaft doesn't have a break in it like the others. It's just one constant piece. Another thing about this, look at this tiny head here. There's no motor here. The motor's in the rear. So this is called a rear motor string trimmer. So it says it has up to 1200 watt output. It's supposed to be similar to gas power. So if you look here, it doesn't have all those bells and whistles. It has what they call the rapid reload head, which isn't bad. You put the string, I guess you line it up and you put the string in it, and then you twist the head, and it winds it on there manually. But it's not. It sounds like a pretty easy thing to do, and it comes with a 5 amp hour battery on the ST1534. So it's looking like the tool itself must have a 0 on the end, and then depending upon what they put on it, they'll change the model number. Very confusing. But let's take a look here, where to buy. It says it's $449 at Northern Tool, but when you go here, it's only $269.99. That's a deal. It comes with that 5 amp hour battery, but it's more of a professional type of trimmers. It's got a 4.4 rating. It looks pretty good. I don't know why it's so cheap. Let's look at the shipping options. You can get it if you're not in a giant hurry. Like you can wait an extra day. It only costs you $12.99. Or if you get it free shipping, if you can wait a little longer. So that's really a deal. You wouldn't have known that if you wouldn't have clicked down to look. So if you go to, say, this, the others aren't even available. So anyway, I thought that was very interesting. But this is a different type of trimmer than the others. So that leaves us 3 more 15 inches. So let's see, 1511, 21, and 02A. So we'll look at this one. This one is more of the cheaper model, and it's not going to have as many features. So it doesn't have. It has the rapid reload. That's the kind of the manual one that I talked about. You line it up, you put the string in, and you twist it. Dual twist line, they all have the dual twist line. Brushless motor, they all have the brushless motor. So this is your basic aluminum shaft. But this right here is just, it's folded or taken apart when you buy it, and you just put a screw in there to hold it together. So, you know, that's not really a feature. It doesn't have the telescoping. So this is your basic model. I'm sure it's good for what it is. And let's see about where to buy. So for about $200, let's see if anything has it less than 200. This is right at 200. I don't know that we'll buy anything less than 200. I think they're all going to be 200. But I would check them out and see what they all say. This is on Amazon. It's 200. So, is there a... Okay. Well, so that's the basic model. Let's look now at, we haven't looked at this one or this one. That has a higher number. We'll look at this one next. This is the ST1511. So it's aluminum also, but this one has the telescoping. So this one has power load, where the other one had rapid load, the cheaper one. This one has power load. So this is, you put the string straight through, you make sure it's even, then you push a button. And when it finishes loading, well, it gets close, you let go. If you don't let go, it'll wrap it all the way in. So it also has a telescoping aluminum shaft. That means you can make it longer or shorter. But mine doesn't have telescopic, and I don't see that I need telescopic. They all have the brushless motor. It comes with the battery, a 2.5 amp hour battery, which is standard if you get the battery. This one also has that 2-speed, so high or low, and basically that's it. So we have one more to look at. That would be this higher number here. So this is going to have your carbon fiber shaft. So it's got the power load like the other one does. It has a carbon fiber shaft, which will make it a little bit lighter. They all have the brushless motor. Let's see what other features. Really no other features. So it's got the power load basically, and is carbon fiber. And did it have the telescoping? I'm sorry, I forgot. Doesn't say telescoping, so it doesn't have the telescoping. Now, these are the ones on the Ego website. There's probably other models out there you can probably find if you're like on Amazon or something that aren't being sold or advertised by Ego anymore, that might be just as well, just as good. Let's see, does this have anything? Let's see, it says $249. Let's see if it's even available. It's not available there. With the northern ones, I would check anyone that has a northern ones, click on it and see if you get a better price. I think I saw another one someplace else. But anyway, if you're in the market for a Ego stringer, this is how you can go and investigate and try to get the best price. You can also check out the Amazon prices. They could be as good or better sometimes. If you have free shipping, maybe you don't have to pay shipping. Now, if you think this information was useful helping you make a decision, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. That will really help. And also, if you visit my affiliate links in the description below, it won't cost you anything. If you do make a purchase, I might get a little commission, and that would really help me out as well. So I appreciate y'all watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.